In this video, you'll learn how to sync your HR and PTO data from your SAP SuccessFactors account in order to establish a secure connection with Papaya Global's platform and set up a daily automatic sync of your workers' data. During this integration process, your implementation manager will assist you and support you the whole way. Start by logging in to your Papaya platform account. Go to the integration on the main menu on the left. On the integration page, under the HRIS section, select SAP SuccessFactors in the list of available apps. You'll see that you have the option to sync both HR and PTO data. It's important to note, however, that you are required to sync your HR data first. Click the Connect button to launch the integration. Here, you'll find your certification data. Click on Copy the Certificate field. Now open a new window and log into your SAP SuccessFactors account. Here, we'll register the Papaya API. Search for Manage OAuth to Client Applications page using the search bar. Click on Register Client Application to open the registration window. Now, paste your copied Papaya certificate into the X509 certificate field. Name the application, for example, Papaya Data Integration. Then you can insert an optional description. For the application URL field, you can insert the Papaya website URL. You have an option to limit specific users to the API's connection to restrict the worker data being sent using the Bind User options. You can find more information about this option in the user guide. Then click Register. You can see that the Papaya application integration has been created in your SAP SuccessFactors account. Now click on View to open the details of the integration, since you'll need to copy some of the info into Papaya's platform. Now that Papaya is connected to your SAP SuccessFactors securely, let's go back to Papaya's platform to finish the configuration. Enter your company ID that you can paste from your SAP SuccessFactors account. Then, do the same for your API key. In the subdomain field, enter the address of the server used for SAP SuccessFactors. You can find it based on your environment and your server location. If you need more details about the list of SAP SuccessFactors API servers, we've added a link from the SAP website in our integration page. In this video, we're using the sales demo environment and server based in Ashburn, Virginia in the US. Username field should be filled with your SAP account user ID, the same user ID that was used when configuring the SuccessFactors connection. These details are crucial for the successful integration of SAP SuccessFactors data with Papaya Platform. Click Save and Next to finalize the connection setup. This action saves your credentials and allows you to proceed to the next phase of the integration process. Next is the Data Mapping step. The mapping step is where you define how your HR data from your SAP SuccessFactors account will correspond to fields within Papaya Platform. This ensures that the imported data is organized and utilized correctly. You want to take a moment to make sure the data previews in each section correspond to the Papaya Global field name. Then select Save and Continue. Your mapping is now complete. You can see the number of employees that will be automatically synchronized daily and at the cutoff date. You can now click on Finish to complete the integration process. Here you'll see that your SAP HR data is well connected to Papaya. By clicking on the three dots here, you will access options such as Disable the Auto Sync, Sync Now, View and Edit the Mapping, and Pre-check data, enabling you to see a full report without importing the data. It's recommended to perform a test synchronization to ensure that data flows correctly from SAP SuccessFactors to Papaya Platform without any issues by clicking on the Pre-check Data option. After the test, you can enable AutoSync. Now let's connect your PTO data. Click on Connect. Your PTO fields will be mapped in this screen. If every field is correct, you can click on Save and Continue. And here your PTO data integration is done. Congratulations, your API setup is now complete. Your HR and PTO data are successfully connected to the Papaya platform. If you need any support, you can contact your implementation manager to assist you.